Hi guys, welcome to Daddy and Jake's reviews and unboxing. Now today, just let you all know, Jake can't be here today as he's in Morocco with his mum and his new daddy. So I'm doing it again on myself. I've needed a new kettle for a while now, so let's have a look what we've got here. Wow, it's £15. Home bargains, and that's a Goodman's, not a Badman's. It's a Goodman's kettle, and let's have a look. I've needed a new kettle for a while now, and I take the bag out, and I'm quite. I love this bit. Look at that, nice and shiny, and it's got that new smell, and that will get you anywhere between 6 and 7. You can have from as much as 8 cups to 1. And let's fill it up. Let's try. 1 cup. Coming up. Nice sound. I have put a bit of weight on. You'll deal with things differently. So that's waste any. 1 cup. So let's walk over to the kettle area. And, hi guys, I'm over by the kettle area. So here we go. 1 cup of tea coming up. The instructions are here. I don't know why they put instructions in for a kettle. I don't know how bored you've got to be to want to read something like this. We all know how kettles work. So anyway, here we go. Let's see how the click sounds. That's a nice click. That is a nice click. Nice blue light there just to indicate. 1 cup of tea coming up.